Hey guys, my name is Amanda. You probably know me as Taurus Artist, but my name is Amanda.
Yeah.
So I decided to go out on a limb today to release this video and, show my face because today is my birthday and I'm like, let's do a face reveal. So yeah, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial type of video on how to color in a birthday balloon. So of course, since today I turned 21, I did a balloon, a 21 balloon. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. Subscribe, like, and comment down below any video suggestions that you may have for me in terms of like tutorials that you would like to see in the future. So yeah, here we go. So I had originally started coloring in the balloon before I recorded, so sorry about that, but it's the exact same steps for the number 1 balloon, so let's fast forward to that point. Now if you apply these exact steps for this balloon, the result will be the same for the number 2 balloon, or whichever number balloon you choose to draw. I mean, I'm not restricting you guys to draw the 21 balloon. You obviously aren't all 21, so it's whatever you want. So the first thing that you want to do is to block in the balloon with the color white. I'm using Prismacolor's white color pencil, and in my opinion, it is the best one out there. But if you have any other brand, that is okay to use as well. Once you finish blocking in the balloon, take your light peach and pink rose colors and color them on the outer parts of the balloon as well as the center. This is according to the reference I chose. So this is the reference right here. So the places where you add the color may differ. Just try to follow the reference as best as you can. So these are the first set of colors you need to put down if you want your balloon to be pink. Then the next thing you need to do is grab your blush pink and color over the layer you just created with the previous colors. After that, grab your chestnut colored pencil and lightly shade in over the areas that are slightly darker. I say lightly.
Lightly.
Then once you do that, grab your light peach, blush pink, and pink rose to blend in the colors as shown here. Just repeat the process throughout the balloon. It's really easy. You just need to apply these steps. Just do exactly as I say. I like to use the beige sienna to help make the balloon look rose gold and pink, so grab that pencil. So just don't use a whole lot of that color because it is a brown type of color. You want your balloon to look pink and not brown. So once you're done blending out the colors, grab your chestnut pencil to draw in the little lines or creases in the balloon. I prefer using this color first instead of black because not all of the creases on the balloon is black and it just makes the line look more natural. If you've ever taken an art class, you may remember hearing your teacher say, oh, don't use black to add in the shades right away because black is not like a natural color, especially if you're drawing portraits and stuff. Like if you're gonna shade on the face, you should use a brown color instead of black, or in some cases blue, but we're not gonna dive into that right now. So for the dark colors and creases on the balloon, use your sepia pencil or any type of dark brown. Prismacolor has a lot of variations of brown, so either a espresso, dark brown, dark umber, dark or burnt umber, I don't remember the name of the pencil, but if it's dark brown, take it. Remember to lightly shade in the color and not press hard on the paper, because I know so many artists who, you know, they want to learn how to shade, and the first thing that they do is just press hard on the paper. They just press down on the pencil, and that's not how you shade. That's literally coloring it in. That's not shading. So there is a difference. And if you do it this way, if you press hard, it'll be harder to build the layers that way. So just learn. So now finally, after you feel satisfied with the overall dimensionality, such a weird word, dimensionality of the balloon, grab your black pencil and darken the creases on the balloon. If you feel that you pressed down too hard on the areas where like there are lines, or if you feel like you've added too many lines, I suggest grabbing, like, if you have a white jelly roll pen or some type of highlighter pen, like an Art and Fly type of white pen, I would just like fill in those spaces if you feel like you need to add more highlights to the balloon. I definitely would recommend that. I didn't do that on this video, but just take it from me. It would definitely make your balloon look brighter, and it would just take away the dark areas really quickly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know it is my first, so I hope you hopefully enjoyed it, understood it, applied it. If you have Instagram, follow me on Instagram at tutorials_artist and send me a message, DM me, showing me a picture of the drawing to show me, you know, how well you did. I would love to repost on my stories, so feel free to do that. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one. Bye!